Imagine being able to make money online just by reading articles. I'll demonstrate and explain how to make $200 to $1,000 online in today's video. All you have to do is watch the words in this video. First of all, modern techniques are completely free and efficient everywhere. Second, after seeing this video, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started with a process that includes all the essential information and a step-by-step procedure so you can start making money right immediately. If you close this movie without taking advantage of this opportunity, you'll be disappointed because you'll see how much money you can make and how simple it is. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Take a look at this before I walk you through the process, since it will demonstrate how much money you can make by reading alone. I'm quite pleased about this opportunity since it will let you make a lot of money just by reading. You won't need any prior experience, technical know-how, or qualifications to complete it, because I'll walk you through the process step by step. Think of paying $1,000 for 30 or 45 minutes, and we've merely computed it as the higher end. We'll need an hour and 45 minutes, and the minimal remedy will still earn us $1,000. Therefore, if we split the $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, we can earn $22 every minute for an hour, or $1,000. I want you to go to voices.com first, okay? Once you enter the website, you'll see that they have been highlighted on Los Angeles Times, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Spotify, Microsoft, and Spotify. Numerous well-known companies and brands are categorically real, and they regularly pay their customers. All payments will be made to us by a PayPal check or a direct bank deposit into your account. There are numerous options, and they all function in various nations. Basically, I'll receive a range of products from different categories from this website, and I'll let you know which ones will pay the most. Additionally, you can choose from a variety of the things I'll demonstrate. They will therefore give you the script, templates, book, and all the words. You will read word for word, and you'll need to record your voice. Once you've selected on a project, depending on how long the job is, it will pay you. It doesn't matter if you work out for 20 or 60 minutes. The job is never ending on these platforms. There are several locations where you can practice jumping, but they aren't always trustworthy. Therefore, you might not generating any money today because the availability of other work is so low. On voices.com, there are so many different professions and categories to choose from. Even if you just have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes a day, you can still pick up from a variety of options and start earning money by reading right now. The second question I heard was, what if I don't have a microphone? All you need is a straightforward earphone. You don't have to expose your identity or face while using an iPhone or an Android phone to record using your voice. For the ebook, audiobook, television, and videos, they will just use your voice. And they will hire people like you and me to read all of these words and fragments aloud. There's no need for us to write anything right now. All that is required of us is that we read the books and scripts they give. After watching this video, I'll teach you how to sign up, get accepted, and become verified. I'll also show you how to choose the best projects that will pay you the most money, how to apply for work, and how to get paid quickly. Therefore, click the sign up icon in the top right corner of the website and then move your mouse over it. Choose between hiring for your projects or looking for freelancing work when you choose this. We're going to hunt for work as a freelancer to interpret those lines in this case. We'll select option 2 and provide our names, email address, contact information, and username. You can insert whatever you want here. Now all you have to do is select the continue options after accepting the terms and conditions. You can also log in with your Google account. Your dashboard will show you a variety of professions after you sign up for a free account, including e-learning, explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games. There are many different categories to pick from. I'll now demonstrate which categories have the greatest numbers of entry-level positions in nations including the United States, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines. To work on this project, people from all around the world join together. Choose audiobooks as your first category. Explainer videos are the second category, while video games are the third. I'm going to concentrate on books, explainer videos, and video games because these are the top 3 categories with the greatest jobs and the highest pay for the shortest time commitment. So for instance, we'll select audiobooks, which will direct us to a different page where we can see some examples of people from other nations making money online at voices.com. These people include both men and women. You may currently look at the language selection and see that they still want to hire you and accept readers from all around the world, including the United States, North America, and India. Therefore, they have work for you no matter where you are. They have jobs in South Africa and in English. At voices.com, you can begin reading scripts and get paid based on the number of hours you put in. We'll find you a job that takes at least 4 to 5 minutes to complete and pays you $1,000 for each task you complete if you want to earn extra money. Okay, I'll show you some of the work options that will be open to you once you join. As you can see, there are numerous professions to pick from, so allow me to scroll down. Every day, they'll reload this page so you can continue to sign in and choose the ones you like. As was already mentioned, Voices.com's most popular genre is audiobooks. You'll receive all the scripts and templates once you've done reading those books. Now all you have to do to get paid $1,000 is read them and record them on your phone. You'll be informed of the client's name, age, gender, and the specific duties they require you to do. You may download the script for free, and all you have to do to get paid is read it out loud. So, whether you download their apps from the Google Play Store or the App Store for your iPhone, this is what it will look like. You can choose to record your voice or read the script aloud as you record on your phone using the script they'll give you. It accomplishes this by keeping things so straightforward. The software can be downloaded for free and used right away at voices.com. It is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, so the logo should look like this. They'll present you with some of the available jobs as well as the client agreements. As you can see, there are numerous work projects for people from all over the world. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.